for the first time, our government is going to award the top 10 students of BTC region with rupees 5 lakhs. Shortly it will be done, and
students, they are going to achieve top 10. Then the studies HS and in HLC.
You are useless.
Under the leadership and guidance of BTC chief Hagrama Moileri sir, today we have feted total 116 students from Udalguri district, and they were given rupees 20,000 cash award to each student. So Hagrama Moileri sir has a dream that our students, they are the future of our BTC. They should lead BTC in future. They should be well educated, and they should get admission in good institution. So one day they will become an officer, they will become engineer, they will become doctor, whatever they dream. That we are trying to help the students so that they can reach to their destination, they can achieve a good career in their life. We should also thank their parents because of their hard work and labor. Today they have got this kind of respect. We should also thank the institutional heads, those who have sacrificed and given time to teach their students. So our main motto is to create human races from our BTC region. So Hagrama Moileri sir has taken this initiative, and for the first time, never before it happened, for the first time our government is going to award the top 10 students of BTC region with rupees 5 lakhs. Shortly it will be done, and those who have secured top 10 position in respective MIL subjects, maybe Bodo MIL, maybe it is Nepali MIL, maybe it is Assamese MIL, whatever it may be, those who have secured top 10 position from our BTC region, they will be awarded cash 3 lakhs from BTC government. So that will be announced very shortly, and our government has done these things to encourage the students of our BTC region only.
How many students are there from the district?
Today we have feted total 116 students. They are coming from Bhergaon subdivision and some are from Udalguri subdivision. Total we have got today 116 students, and they have been awarded along with their parents and their teachers.
It's a very good example for all the parents and for all the students.
Yeah,
It's encouragement, sir. What will you say?
Yeah, this is a very good example. It never happened before, and Hagrama Moileri sir has a dream that our students should be encouraged, they should go for higher education. So for this reason we have given rupees 20 cash to each student, and a citation letter from our party, and this program is being jointly organized by BJP and BPF political party.
Sir, being you have been a success, you are a president of youth for the BPF. It's a good agenda, good motto.
No, that is, I think this is my responsibility. It is my duty to do it. So we are organizing this kind of program, and in future we'll organize a career counseling program also, and those who have passed prelim examination in UPSC and APSC and other competitive examination, they will also be given scholarship from our government. It will be announced very shortly.
Any coaching centers for the students?
Yeah, we have just declared one coaching center, online exam coaching center in Kokrajhar IT Park. Our government has given all responsible to Vivekananda University at Kokrajhar IT Park. They will conduct all kinds of examination, online examination center.
So lastly, I will ask you political questions. Recently, yesterday, all the BPF governments, they were waiting for another cabinet minister. Certainly, it goes to the BJP government. What do you say, sir?
It will be decided by our party supremo, Hagrama Moileri sir. I have nothing to say in this regard.